Combination is a mathematical technique that determines the number of possible arrangements in a collection of items where the order of the selection does not matter. To understand combination, let's start with a simple example. Let's say you have three different fruits: a banana, strawberry, and pineapple. And you want to know how many different ways you can choose with two of them. The combinations are banana and strawberry, strawberry and pineapple, and pineapple and banana. Notice that we didn't include the combination of banana and banana, strawberry and strawberry, or pineapple and pineapple. That is because we can choose the fruit twice. Now, let's try a hands-on activity to help you understand combinations better. Let's say you have 5 different types of shape: square, circle, triangle, cube, and rectangle. Let's also say you want to know how many different ways you can choose 3 types of shapes from the box. Here's what you can do. Step 1. Put all the shapes into the box and mix them up. Second, reach in and choose one shape at a time without looking. Third, put down the type of shape you choose. Fourth, repeat steps 2 and 3 2 more times until you have chosen 3 types of shapes. And the last, count how many different combinations of shapes you can make using the 3 types you choose. Now, I have here a box that contains all the given shapes. I will mix them up and choose one shape. The first shape I have chosen is the square. And the second shape that I have chosen is the circle. And the last is the triangle. These are the first 3 sets of shapes that I have chosen. For the second set, I have chosen the shapes circle, triangle, and cube. The third set are the triangle, cube, and rectangle. For the fourth set are square, circle, and cube. For the fifth set, we have circle, triangle, and rectangle. The sixth set are rectangle, circle, and square. The seventh set are triangle, cube, and square. The eighth set are circle, cube, and rectangle. The ninth set are square, triangle, and rectangle. Then the 10th set are cube, rectangle, and square. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 sets of combinations out of 5 objects, taken 3 objects at a time. So, to review, combinations are a way of figuring out all the possible ways you can choose a certain number of items from a larger set of items. And even if you're visually impaired, you can still understand combinations by doing hands-on activities and using your other senses to help you learn. I hope you liked and found this lesson helpful. See you again on the next video.